In this video, I'll show you how to use the InDesign script Find Change from Spreadsheet. Instead of repeated visits to the InDesign Find Change dialog, make a spreadsheet of all the Find Change pairs and perform the changes in a few mouse clicks. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. Let's get started. To run this script, start by opening the Scripts panel. Go to the Window menu, Utilities, Scripts. In the list, select the script Find Change from Spreadsheet. Double-click to run it, which displays the interface. The interface has two sections. First is the data file, the spreadsheet, that has the Find Change pairs. Create this file in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Numbers, but it needs to be saved as comma-separated values, CSV, to work with this script. I'll explain the details after showing the script options. To select your CSV file, click the File button. Navigate to the location of the CSV file, select it, and click OK. The path to the file appears beside the button. Next, we need to tell the script the column heads for Find and for Change. More about that when I explain setting up the CSV file. Just know the values here need to match the column heads in the data file. The next section is Options. Whole word ignores matches within words. For example, if disabled, and searching for cat, the cat in category would also match. In most cases, not what we're looking for. I recommend enabling this option to match only whole words. Next is case insensitive, meaning whether or not the letter case matches exactly. If disabled, matches occur only when the letter case is identical. Enable the option and text matches even if the letter case is different. When enabled, another option is available. Keep capitalization. If enabled and the text found is capitalized, the change is also capitalized, even if the change value from the spreadsheet is not capitalized. If the text found is not capitalized, the spreadsheet value is used as is. This is useful for words that are normally not capitalized but could appear at the beginning of sentences requiring capitalization. We'll see this in action when I process the example job. The last option is Confirm each change. If enabled, each match is selected in the layout and a confirmation dialog appears on screen. I'll demonstrate in the next segment with an example job. When enabled, part of this option is a value for zoom. This magnifies the view to the value set. This is to better show changes to confirm. Now let's set up the data file. Your spreadsheet needs two columns. The first row is the header, the description of what each column holds. I'll use Find and Change. These values could be anything you like. They just have to match in the script interface, so it knows what is what. In the remaining rows, list the text to find in the first column, and its replacement in the second. I'll paste in a dozen pairs of stuff to find and change. Now save the spreadsheet as comma-separated values. From Excel, click File. Then, Save As. Browse to where you want to save it, and name it however you like. I'll use Find Change for the name. In the drop-down Save As Type, select CSV, delimited. Click Save, and you're done. Next, I'll demonstrate using the script. On the right, I have an example document open in InDesign. On the left is our spreadsheet for reference. With the Scripts panel open, Select the script, Find Change from Spreadsheet. Double-click to run it. Select the CSV file. I have the columns set to match the data. Update these if needed. I'll start with the options Whole Word and Case Insensitive disabled to demonstrate their effect. Enable Confirm each change. Click OK to begin. Because we've asked to confirm changes, the view zooms in and a description of the first change appears. Here we can see the effect of disabling the option Whole Word. This change wouldn't make sense, so click Skip. This next match works. Click OK to make the change, and the script selects the next. Once all matches are done, we begin the next Find Change pair, button up to Finish. Click OK All. Every similar match is done, and we continue with the next Find Change pair. Here's another match that could use the Whole Word option. Let's start over. The Cancel button stops everything, but any changes already done remain. So go to the Edit menu and select Undo. This puts the document back to before running the script. We'll run the script again, but this time enable Whole Word. Notice businesses didn't show up this time. Each time you click OK All, it means all of the current Find Change pair. The next Find Change pair will again show the confirmation dialog. Keep clicking OK All until none remain. Now let's do it with the option Case Insensitive. First select Undo to go back to where we started. We'll run the script again and enable Case Insensitive this time. But leave Keep Capitalization disabled to see the effect. Everything goes along fine, but then we get a match at the beginning of a sentence. If the change is accepted, the sentence is no longer capitalized. We don't want that. Cancel and undo the changes, and try it again with the option enabled. This time when the match is selected, notice the change is capitalized to match. Again, a match is at the beginning of the sentence, and so it is capitalized to match. You get the idea. Finish the rest, and we're done. The spreadsheet isn't limited to words. Here we have some prices and a product code. Really, any text can be found and changed. And the number of Find Change pairs could be hundreds, thousands even. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.